Show something on. Super busy in here. Wow. Gosh. Oh my god, you missed the camera. Show me again. How are you? This is the biggest spa in Bali, yeah? Carla Spa? Yeah. Many spas at Carla. And things in here in Andy's shop. Nice big collection, also lots of training shoes. We have Romeo's and the Oz Hotel. Very nice place this. And the TV screens there. It's quite busy inside there as well. Hello. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So Jalan Padma Utara here in the Legian area of Bali is a very popular tourist street. It's home to a nice collection of hotel accommodations, many restaurant warungs also on the street, lots of tourist goods shopping, massage and spas. You'll just about find everything a tourist could possibly need on the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So in tonight's video, the starting point is going to be at the Zest Hotel, and where Jalan Padma Utara meets the street of Jalan Padma. And I'm going to walk all the way through to the 7X Swiss Bell Hotel, taking in everything along the way. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street stroll here in Legian. Okay, so this is a starting point for tonight's video. Just in front of the camera now, we have the Zest Hotel by Swiss Bell Hotel. This is a street of Jalan Padma that I've just featured a few nights ago in a video. Along there's many hotel accommodation, restaurants, bars, shopping options. Just at the back here we have the Jakarta Bali Hotel. And now we're going to cut across the street and start at the Zest. So we have the, just on the corner here, we have the Jalan Bar and Kitchen. Attached to the Zest Hotel. I featured that in the video of Jalan Padma. So just here we have the Zest Swiss Bell, Legian Bali. It's the main entrance in the back there. Just continue walking along the street now. Hello, how are you? Not so happy massage ladies there on the street. So just here we have a collection of all of our typical tourist goods shops. We just cut on here. There's nothing really on the right hand side there. So we have all of our typical tourist goods shops, sunglasses, hats, bags, many different things in here. Ooh la la, this one's got a very big collection of bags in there. Hello, how are you? A little massage spa here, Let's Bali Spa. Hello, how are you? Oh, the girls are not so... More tourist goods shops just there. We have Padma Medical Service Centre here in the back. Hopefully no one ever needs to use that. And then we're just going to come out now. We have Fat Buddha Legian here. A full view of Fat Buddha Legian. So there's some kind of football or something, Aussie rules football on the TV screens there. It's quite busy inside there as well. Lots of them watching football on the TV there. Fat Buddha Legian. A place called Bali Legian here. A few customers inside there in Bali Legian. Hello, how are you? Good. There's a name up above, Bali Legian. There's quite a few customers in there. Just cutting back now and across the street here we have the away Bali Legian Kamplaka, or I can't, I'll just show it you. However you pronounce that, not sure. It's the hotel just in the back there. So just from the hotel there, we have a tattoo studio, Ink Culture Bali. Just on this side of the street here. There's a name, Ink Culture. Hello! Lucky shop, made to order. Some ladies' clothing and things in this one. Santa Cruz. Some nice stuff in there. Kids and ladies' clothing looks to be the main thing. Sunglasses. Not sure I'd use the money there, money changer. I have a place called Andy Shop here. This one's got a big collection of the ladies' handbags and things in here in Andy Shop. Nice big collection, also lots of training shoes. All the different training shoes there. There's a collection of watches as well in the cabinet there, many other things. Let's continue walking. Have a Guardian pharmacy here. Need any headache tablets? Have another tattoo studio across the street here. Just in the back there. This one also just connected with the tattoo. If you're looking for bike rental, there's some bike rental as well here, right next to the tattoo studio. There's the bikes for rent. Just across the street from the tattoo studio, we have another spa here. Luna Spa. There's all the different treatments available there. Have a Coco Express just next door to a tattoo studio. This is a convenience store. And then just opposite that we have Bali Bondi. This is a restaurant. It's normally quite busy actually, this restaurant. It's not too many customers inside. I think they're all watching the football on the big screen TV places. There's a few customers inside there anyway. And some of the food, cordon bleu chicken, ribeye steak, Caesar salad. Can't really pick them up because of the angle. Just across the street here we have Bali Beach Melite Apartments. I think it's very nice apartments this. If anyone has a request, please send me for that place. It's another view on Bali Bondi. Oh, the girls are waving for the camera. We have... Hello! We have Mandala leather collection here. Leather goods shop. Handbags and things inside there. Just next door we have the Bali Aussie. Wow, this place is so full. All the football screens. Please someone write in the comments what this is. There's some big match or something on. Super, super busy in here. Wow. Look at that. Oh, too bright. Continue walking along the street here. Have another salon here called Noppy Nopper or something. It's just in the back there. Some more tourist goods shops as well here. Some caps. Massage. Oh my god, you missed the camera. Show me again. So just across the street there we have Romeo's and the Oz Hotel. Very, very nice place this. Some customers along the front there. Many more inside. Oz Hotel is just in the back there. Featured this hotel in the video. Fabulous hotel that. Just across from Oz Hotel and Romeo's, we have Borough Capsule Hostel and also a coffee shop. The shop is called Coffee Terry. It's just closing up though. It's already gone past 7 p.m. So just from Coffee Terry and Borough Capsule Hostel, we have Caf Magnum, Inner Glow Spa and Wellness in the back here. This is how the coffee shop's moved into the back. Not sure where the spa is now. Just next door we have a Chemopharmia Apothec if you need any headache tablets. It's another pharmacy. Have a Circle K convenience store just next door for all your snacks, cigarettes and drinks, etc. Have a place here called RDV. Not sure what this place is about. 8-ball karaoke bar it says up above there. I think there's some games and things inside there as well. We have Relax Bali Spa just next door. Hello, good evening. It's Relax Bali Spa. We have Mug Shop, coffee shop. It's already closed, this place. Just turning back on the opposite side of the street, we have a mini mart convenience store. Carla Spa, this is all over Bali. Let's go and see the girls at Carla Spa. Hello, good evening. How are you? This is the biggest spa in Bali, yeah, Carla Spa? Yeah. Many spas that Carla Spa has. Super friendly.
My name is Kadek Setiari from Bali.
There we go, come and see Kadek. Just next door we have tourist goods shops here. Lots of clothing and things inside there. Just try and cut in and see. Ladies' clothing and things inside here. And another tourist goods shop just next door here as well. Lots of handbags, sunglasses, many things inside there. There's many shirts as well, singlets and things. Lots of stuff inside there. Just cutting across the street now, we have Amazing Ink Tattoo Studio. Just next door to Amazing Ink, we have Sammy's Bar and Restaurant there. Just going to cut across. So this is Amazing Ink Tattoo Studio. Hello guys, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good. There's your tattoo studio. Sammy's Bar and Restaurant here. It's the inside of Sammy's Bar. Some of what's on the menu here. Just next door we have a Mira leather shop. Lots of leather goods inside there. It's a big leather goods shop this. Handbags, boots, shoes, many things, jackets as well I see there. Lots of tourist goods shops and things across the street there. And a little like fairy dresses or costumes or something here. Very elegant looking things, dresses for girls and children. Looks like Snow White, Cinderella, many in there. Tourist goods shops just across the street there. Have a little tour booking centre as well here. It's not there at the moment. Got cars for rent as well at this place if you need to rent a car. Fast boat tickets, Bali Adventures. And then just here on the left we have the Campi Hotel. I featured this hotel in the video. Nice hotel this. Just down in the back there, or on the left there. Just down there also we have the Sinner Bali Hotel. Featured that in a video as well. I shall add the link in the description. And then just here we have the 7 Hotel. This is the ex-Swiss Bell Hotel. I've featured this hotel also in a video, not as 7. If anyone wants to request it again, then please request it again as 7 and I shall make a request. It's just the ex-Swiss Bell Hotel. I shall add it in the video description. Just across the street there we have the Corner Bar and Restaurant. Very, very busy again inside there, the Corner Bar and Restaurant. All the football on the TV screens. Some of the menu. It's all there at the Corner Bar and Restaurant. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night stroll here in Legian, along a section of the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, you've got quite a nice collection of hotel accommodations in this area, some nice restaurants also, many tourist goods shops, some massage and spas. This area just has everything a tourist could need for the perfect holiday stay here in the Legian area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, especially if you're staying in the Legian area of Bali. And I shall say bye for now.